dip down there and then leap off it that way. Nice. Do that again. Oh, shit. Gah. Oh, that would have been rad. Oh, wow. Because that bottom, it's just like, it just runs into it like a wall. Yeah. We'll do it now, I'm not filming. Yeah, there you go. Keep it in one piece, it's still brand new. Yeah. What do you think of that, Alex? The USA 1 versus the Losi LMT 10.
He's got a lot of power on this one.
Yeah, different machine. Jump this, I want to get a shot of it. Oh my God. Nice. Woo! Dude, you're pretty good at that, Derek.
It does not fit.
Easy. Shit.
Does not fit the fucking Kingsland. Yeah.
Dude, that was wild. Oh. Yeah, you'll actually backflip over the whole thing and land downside.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you'll get it. Did it really? God, that was rad. God bless America. God, just thrashing. When you go up it, just get enough air and then full throttle it in the sky and try to level your landing out. Dude.